Hello and welcome again. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, and if you haven't done so, please click on the subscribe button just below this video. Thank you very much. Alright, so now that you have subscribed, alright, not yet? Wait a little bit. Okay, now you clicked, you're subscribed. Alright, okay, we can start now. So, this is a PUMA. Which one? It's the Axeliom block, dark denim, black high rise. The one that we'll open today is the 42.5 for the European size, or 8.5 and UK size, 9.5 US size, which is 27.5 centimeters. Very simple packaging with blue and red colors, with the PUMA sign white, right? So quite sober, and this is the sneakers. So as you can see, it's something that is very simple and quite nice, all in tissue, with this soft foam for optimal comfort, as they say. So if you touch it, I know you cannot touch it from the screen, but I'm touching it for you, you know. So just push like this, and then you feel it. They give you this let's call it a sample. So this sample for what they have put here inside. So it's almost the same touch from here and from here. So just to make you a little bit comfortable about what they are what they are putting just below your feet. So what does it look like? First of all, it's quite light, and this is made of tissue, so you can see it by the touch and feel. And this part is some kind of rubber, black rubber. So when we say that this is tissue, it's really tissue. So what does this mean? It means that if you're wearing this and running or walking or whatever, and that it's raining, you'll feel it in your feet. All right? So just making things clear, because I did the test, and my socks got wet when it was raining. So just to share this with you. Of course, the same size that we have. This one is made in China, and of course, let's remove this small stuff here for shaping or reshaping, whatever. And you can see that you have this this PUMA here, quite nice. And it's not reflective, it's just simple, let's say. And yeah, if we try to play with it a little bit like this, it's getting back to its shape quite nicely. But yeah, with a little help from the inside, you'll see nothing, no marks. So that's quite nice. And also here in the back, this part is some kind of elastic. So it's sewed here from both sides, from this side and from this side. And I guess that's it. That there is not much to say about it. The sole is rubber, as you can see, and the lining is textile. And what's this? Yeah, the upper is textile and other material. So all right. So maybe you're wondering if this video is from the free software series or not. Yes, it is, and I'm giving you the number now. So the number for today ladies and gentlemen, is the number 9. So today's number is the 9. One of the previous numbers was the 7. So the last one I gave was 7. So this one is the 9. Okay, so let's continue. This was the right part, and of course the left one is exactly the same. Both are looking the same. All right, except that there is no decoration here. You know, you have this small part only here, and okay, all right. For those of you who don't know how to remove this stuff, of course you know. I guess you know, but if you don't know, it's quite simple. You just turn this here, and then poof, you will remove it. All right. So there is some small metal parts here. So you just push from this side or from this side, and then you will remove this this stuff, because running with this is let's say it's not really, it will not make you look so intelligent, to stay gentle. So please remove it before running outside. And also it will not help to keep you in shape, because you will not have the same weight on both feet. And speaking of weight, let's see how heavy is this stuff, because if you run with something, you'll be interested to know how heavy is it. And then let's put this on this quite smart balance, not so smart, which tell us that this feet is 367 grams. So it's very light. It's very, very light. 367 grams, which is something around 12.95 O's. All right. And let's check the other one just by removing, of course, because we need to remove it to give you the exact weight. And the weight for this one, 12.85 O's. All right, which is 364 grams versus 366 grams. Let's remove this stuff. And by removing this, we come back to 364 grams, which is the same size, the exact same size as the other one, as the other feet. So this is a 3, right? 364. And the other one is also, yeah, 363, 364, all right. Yeah, 363 grams. It lost 1 gram from from almost 30 seconds ago. That's not quite good. Yeah, all right. 363 versus 364. Yeah, almost the same, the same weight. And you have here this this kind of plastic here. It's really hard plastic, and they say that it's Arctec, something like architects, but it's not architects, it's only Arctec. And of course the PUMA here jumping, still jumping. And here what we have, EverTrack. I don't know what they mean by this EverTrack, but you see that uh, this part is not very high, so it's something like 1 or 2 millimeters, very small, very thin. So it's and of course this sole is made of rubber, and this marking in the sole is quite uniform, and I think this is made for running in flat surfaces. So it's not, I guess it's not suitable for running in dust or things like that, because maybe it will slipper and then you might lose some adherence. But yeah, and here you have this quite flexible rubber here, so it helps you absorb the shocks when you run, I guess. So this is not very it's not a very expensive let's say model, but it's quite simple and quite nice. So wearing this, it's very casual. You can wear it for running, you can wear it just for walking, taking kids to school and going to work maybe somehow. But I just want to remind you that if it's raining, you better change your shoes. You better not put this one, because you'll get wet, as this gets wet quite quickly. And you see here the sole protection is not quite big, so there is nothing to protect this first part here. So the contact surface for the earth is just the necessary size for the feet, and there is nothing more to cover this part. So whenever you put your feet in some wet part here like this, you'll get wet from this part, and this textile will absorb the humidity and the, let's say, the liquid, to stay general. If you have the chance, it will be water. If not, it might be something that is less convenient, and then you'll need to wash this. And I did the experience to wash it in a washing machine, and it worked. It was quite clean. So as it's mostly textile, it was washable quite nicely, and there was no impact on this soft foam or in any other part. So it was simply cleaned and nice to wear again. So I think this is it about this these shoes, or this sneakers, if you want to call it like this. And we saw in the packaging that this was a 27.5 centimeters, and just to tell you that it's not the same calculation or the same measurement that that doing this from toe to back of the feet. So here you have almost 30 centimeters or 31. So the size by centimeters is not the one is not the same as just calculating from this side or measuring from this side to this side, because from here to here, from here to this back, what we have, as I said, you have something around 31 or 30 or 31 centimeters. And as you know, feet shape is not the same from one man to another, or from men to women. here we have 8 centimeters large from this part, which goes up to 11 almost, or yeah, 10.5 or 11, getting back here to 7 centimeters, and then going back to 8.5 here. So now we have a small idea about what does it look like really. And of course this is a fully yeah, this one are fully removable, so you can take it from here, and they are giving you pattern of putting it the first time. It's already made, and there is no replacement laces provided, so you have only this. But for the price, I think it's quite good. And this is only plastic. I've seen in some brands this is it has some kind of metal here, but this one is only plastic, and there is no no marking. You don't know which brand it is from here. So this is the kind of details that makes the manufacturers do some economy on the manufacturing price and provide some nice sneakers with in nice prices. So this is all about this PUMA, how they call it, Axeliom black. All right, Axeliom black, dark denim, black high rise, men, and blue and black. Very, very simple, and honestly I like it. So if you like this video, please click on the share button, and also you can leave your comments. Please leave your comments, write something, just tell, did you like it? If you didn't like it, just write some words to say what did you like, what you didn't like. And also please subscribe and share the link and of this video with your friends. And also you can follow me on Twitter or any other social media. And thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.